Hi guys! Simula nga nang matikman ko tong bulgogi gochujang pizza, naging isa na to sa favorite pizza ko. No joke talaga. Kaya andito na naman ako sa Angel's Pizza para dito sa Korean street food vibe pero in a pizza style. So andito kami sa BGC branch ng Angel's Pizza. Medyo maliit lang yung store pero sakto pa rin for dine-in. Dahil may enough space naman for customers. Cozy pero sulit. So umorder na kami ng carbonara. Creamy at rich itong pasta na to with cheese and bacon bits na swak sa lasa. We also got chicken nuggets and golden curls along with the sweet and savory honey glazed chicken wings. For dessert naman, triple chocolate cake. And of course, the bulgogi gochujang pizza with tender beef, gochujang sauce, bacon, corn, olives, nori, and green onion. A savory, spicy umami explosion. Talagang super favorite ko na to. To wash it down, pink lychee lemonade naman for drink. And by the way, they have double deals right now. 2 medium pizza plus a 1.5 liter Pepsi for only 575 pesos. Also available in family and big family sizes. You can order this via Grab Fan Faves or in-store. Promo runs until September 20, 2025. Open 24 hours ang BGC branch ng Angel's Pizza. Kaya grab na kayo ng favorites nyo sa anumang Angel's Pizza na malapit sa'yo. Ayun lang, bye-bye!